I'm Steve Larkin. I'm a general dentist here at Virginia Family Dentistry. In high school, I had two close friends that both their fathers were dentists. Thought about something else, thought about the FBI and things like that, because I have an older brother who is an accountant and worked with a lot of ex-FBI agents in the accounting department. I talked to them and it wasn't what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. I'm originally from Utah, so I did my 4 years of college at Weber State University, came here to go to dental school. Met my wife in dental school and stayed here and been here ever since with Virginia Family Dentistry. Baxter Perkinson is the founder of our company, and he taught at the dental school while I was in dental school. And in 1995, when I was getting ready to graduate, he had an opening with the company. So he asked me to interview. They offered me a job. I accepted, and I've been here ever since. As far as dentistry goes, I really enjoy the surgery part of dentistry. I've spent a lot of time with implants and surgery aspect, dealing with implants, with full mouth implant restorations and single tooth implant restorations. And that's kind of where I like to go and what I like to do with my daily practice. Outside of dentistry, I have a family of 4, myself and my wife and 2 daughters. Spend a lot of time together, traveling and doing things together. So that's where I spend most of my time.